All Roads Lead to Jackson. Serbian American Contributions in Amador County, California, Since the Gold Rush, by Milina Jovanović. Milina Jovanović offers a unique compilation of individual and family immigration stories that include enormous contributions to the development of California and significant community involvement. In this version of People's History, she chronicles how Serbian Americans have strengthened community, region, state, and country through the endeavors and struggles of 150 years. This book also focuses on women's contributions that are too often overlooked. Ms. Jovanović's study reveals that Jackson not only remains an original and symbolic home to Serbian Americans and the Serbian Orthodox religion, but also an oasis where the Serbian community has preserved its positive reputation and social influence.